For me, I'm gonna take for you.
Why are you cheating on your wife?
No, I'm cheater. No, I'm cheater. Nama hidu ka bajak lulukatan.
What's that?
Do you know Ethiopia? This one?
Yes.
This one is very cultural stick.
Oh, what do you do?
Yeah. You have boyfriend?
No, what do you do with that?
Lion is coming. I hit. Yeah.
Lion. You
Yes.
pick the lion.
Yes.
Why?
My life is very, very hunting and the gathering. You know gathering?
Yes, why you
Yes, tipatu dan. Tipatu.
why you hitting a lion?
Because it's me. I have very too much cow. You know cow? Horimal English. Abo horimali cow janabe khudide. Yes, cow. You know cow is milk. Yes, I have too much cow and goat because lion is hunting. I hit. Probably mal yada kabdat. Yada mal kabdat.
Cow milk.
Gafta ko urgon English pan jala badetin. Yugroti dan ramfade. Milk is strong milk. Anang jaba. You are so beautiful, darling.
Thank you.
Humara kon ka dir kamakai. Nama barida ji chumalta nama reret.
So you hit the lions.
Yes, please come to Ethiopia. You know Ethiopia? Ethiopia is very beautiful. In Oromia is very beautiful, amazing. Sofumar Hararge Kundodu Mountain is very beautiful culture and amazing Ethiopia. Ethiopia is very
Why are you
beautiful.
winning?
Huh?
Why are you winning the game?
What you say?
Why are you winning my game?
I'm winner.
Why?
I'm strong man. I'm the legend of the seeker. Guys, Sadimba is. What is family?
Thank you, Gary.
Sadimba, thank you Fateh Baroda. Follow good and I'm gifting akan. One the people. Thank you Munira Tanyatis. Hangam nakiti ka sa higir.
Gary.
Me hanamo tumiyon to. Gurra na good I get him. Akana na goten.
I'm winning now. I'm losing. Again.
Yes, my family. What these people?
Say your family to say.
What these people Fateh ko?
Why is your family?
Turina ko. Top 1, top 2, top 3 follow good ang guys. Follow good ang. That is na dunya basis gira. Hararge dufte luluka chugabti.
Friends. Your family doesn't like me.
You see my family?
They don't like me.
My family is very love me and respect me.
What about me?
Buja mali bil lafaka. Anka buj. Deli, you afraid this one?
No.
Oh, okay, thank you.
I just don't know why your family doesn't like me. They want me to lose.
I want to marry you.
Okay, ask them to make me win then.
Okay. Malif na mo. Malif Simon. Lulukatan na mo yung singget. Shanafatu.
I'm gonna lose.
Barid. My punishment is.
No. Punishment?
Yeah.
I don't do punishment.
It was my. Oh no, my punishment is dance. I'm gonna dance. you dance. I wanna see you dance.
No.
What is my family is very losing. Namamono nuti.
Thank you, Gary. I
What?
won. It's okay.
Sorry. I'm very bored.
No, it's okay. I won. I need to win. I'm a
No,
woman.
I'm bored because you let my win. Win here for the chumal.
Yes.
It will good agaterret.
Sorry.
Tap good guys. Okay, you wanna go? Okay, see you daily.
It's bad.
I respect you. Thank you.
I respect you.
Geri babarida ko nundu timbon. Kenya karda manu bonti koy. Manu bonti karda. Faranjii nu khabaju manu du biftino. Kana na mangit. Kenya gize ay gite mal rafet. Na makanya faranjom se yetin da bebera. Kuno ta faranjii tu. Hi, may respect me. Yetena to wizigit. Yabo na makanya no makanya gati na makanya mbe. I love you Faranjii. Faranjii malegana abadan. Takadu fe koy. Dubin jab dubaran. Dubin jab. Aniksa,
Yes,
where are you from?
I'm from Nepal. How about you?
Oh, Nepal, Timre, Maya.
Yes.
You know this song? Listen, you know this song? Kutuma kutu superibana, kutuma kutu. Kutuma kutu superibana, kutuma kutu. I love Nepal song. Nepal song is very smart, and the Nepal people is very lovely people.
Thank you so much. Where are you from?
Please open for me. Kutuma kutu.
Kutuma kutu subaridana kutuma kutu. Kutuma kutu subaridana kutuma kutu.
Kutu.
हेर्दामा जिउजान खाइला तो जागिरी मर्दा बलियो इमानदारी केटोलाई जो बने दिने मन थियो. Hi Asan.
Wow, your voice is very. I love your voice.
Thank you so much. Where are you from?
I'm from Ethiopia. You know Ethiopia?
Oh, I have an Ethiopian friend. She was my roommate.
Oh,
Uh,
how is Ethiopian people? Is it lovely people, right?
oh God, like I love them. And I love Ethiopian songs. Ethiopian songs.
Thank you, my Nepal sister.
I love Ethiopian songs.
Mandinako.
What you say?
You know this song?
Little.
Lovely people. Kavita mitnavan. What? Apa ditemukan? Talalawad. Mahal ko na ko ba? Jara kanya ko ni matana ko sa Faranjii no heddu.
It's beautiful. Ethiopian songs are.
Muchang kasan. Please, Mandinako.
Kaya deal kasi.
Please.
मन बिना को धन ठुलो के धन बिना को मन बिना को धन ठुलो के धन बिना को मन आकाशे माडले. Sorry.
Akase mari pana. Oh, jani ban.
Na 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 na.
Vandana.
Yeah.
Wow. I love Nepal people. Nepal people is very lovely, smart.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you, thank you.
Congrats.
Oreshi kan sempat nama taphaadhu bitibar. Afham bigi make up dia. Gurba kan isin the use of follow gotan. Ana follow gotan ibu boleh sakit senang jadi besitan. International kan. Gurban international. Ni dok hati dilarang tu irreg jatan. Ni dok hisa. Asbasa.
कैसे हो आज?
वही थोड़ा बार वल्ले निशानी हिद्दू बब्बर हिद्दू
How do you know Nepali songs?
too much.
How do you know?
I know it's too much.
No, I mean from whom you knew?
You know Ethiopian Oromo music? Please search Oromo music. Search please. Oromo.
Oromo music. I got it. Guys, someone snipe.
Belum kerbau betul. Akan you know Samika Kasari? You know Kasari? Kasari.
How do you know all the Nepali songs? Where did you
I love
listen?
Nepal song and the people is very lovely people. Kasari.
I know that song. Thank you so much for joining. Lots
Thank
of
you.
love. I'll see you.
Okay, I see you.
Bye. Take care. Respect. Love.
Harus datang yang bersignan mak ijilkan. Mal tu nunggu tanya kejar kantuin. Nan harkan itu kan nara kata, nunggu betul. Mal tu nunggu tanah ujin. Faranjii nunggu tu. Alhamdulillah dari lebih berlo. Tanya kejar te, hai gitu. Harkan itu kan nara kata, nunggu betul. Mal tu nunggu. Tanya uji masyarakat. Tap gua untuk kesana. Milih tak kasihan. Nanti nergina orang. Nanti nergatina. Direra biballo tanya gija kebja nati dubudu mori maltu nunge faranjii ngutu alhamdulillah. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Lindita,
Yes.
you are very beautiful.
Thank you. You trying to battle?
Shabja chagirta alla milad bantetes astaghfirullah. Yeah.
Astaghfirullah. What? Why are you saying astaghfirullah? What happened?
Because your leg is open.
It's called summertime and I'm a grown woman. Was there a problem with that?
Summer.
Yeah, what world
Yeah.
are you living in? It's August.
It's very hot.
It is hot, yeah, and I'm hot too. If you're such a devoted Muslim, you wouldn't be on TikTok at all. Astaghfirullah for you. Why are you on TikTok?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Watch yourself.
Sorry. Where are
They
you from?
swear they're such devoted Muslims. Astaghfirullah. A woman showing her skin. Astaghfirullah.
Milan.
Get off TikTok. It's not for Muslims.
I know because Islam. Sorry, I say sorry.
Okay.
My heart is very.
If you cannot control your lust, that's your problem, Habibi, not mine.
Yes, I know my problem because.
I know your problem
I say
too.
not for you, not for you.
For your temptation, your lust, because you can't control it. You're like, a woman with legs out.
Narifagisi mi yo. Ganda ka sanin to friends. What are you afraid?
My legs
I'm
out.
very afraid in it. Girl is too much talking. I'm very afraid.
I know. Girl is too much talking.
Yeah.
Oh, you're used to the woman who say, okay, I mean, whatever
Okay,
you want.
yeah,
I mean.
I respect. Because I respect every woman. I love with women. I respect for you. Okay.
That's good for you, but it doesn't do no difference for me because you're gonna respect me, or else I'll just mute or get you out of here.
Okay.
So it's that simple. Yeah.
Okay. Accept my forgiveness.
Thank you. You stay in your lane, I stay in mine. How about that? Yeah.
Mashallah.
Mashallah. Mashallah for you too. Yes. Beautiful man.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm a wali galigid. Where are you from, beauty?
I'm from Kosovo. Where are you from, Habibi?
Ethiopia. You know Ethiopia?
Beautiful. Yes.
Yes. You are married?
You want to marry me, Habibi? I have legs out.
I'm gonna marry
Your
you.
mom will kill you. Your mom will be like, you bring this, astaghfirullah.
No. My mother is very smart. Very smart.
Smart
Yes.
woman. I see.
Yeah, I'm gonna marry you.
You want to marry me today? Are you serious? Oh my God,
Yes, I'm
nobody ever
serious.
said that to me.
You want a ring?
Right now? No, baby,
Take it. Please
I want
give
my
me five.
dowry. I want 10 lions. I want 5 universes.
Then Champashani.
And I want land. I want land in Ethiopia.
Oh, Ethiopia is very beautiful culture.
Yeah, and I need land there.
People
You got
is
to
smart
pay the
people,
dowry.
Very
babe.
lovely. Too much culture, too much people.
Beautiful, yeah.
A lot
I heard of
people
it.
is beautiful.
Yeah, and you have to pay your dowry, otherwise I can't marry you. I like a rich man. I don't want to marry somebody with no land, no nothing.
You want a rich man?
Of course I do. What you think? You want a pretty woman? If you want a pretty woman, you gotta have the bags, baby.
You don't like tabshi?
What is tapshi?
You don't like food?
No,
Food.
I don't want to live in misery. I like the rich life.
Oh. You are very lovely, Ricky.
I'm what?
Because you very enjoyment. You love enjoyment in life. Beautiful home in the car.
Yeah, because I have beautiful
You
home
are
in the
very
car, so-
wanted to convert life.
I have beautiful home and a beautiful car. I have a beautiful home and a beautiful car myself. So if I come to Ethiopia, you have to give me something I don't already have. Or else
I
the
invite
deal
you.
is
Come on.
off.
I invite you. I take you for you visa. Come to visit Ethiopia.
I have 3 passports.
brought-
You don't need visa. I have 3 passports. I have American passport. I have Kosovo
Wow.
passport. I have Albanian passport. I don't need your visa.
You have too much passport. Please marry me, please.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go
I'm
to
in the
America.
process of my 4th passport, actually. I get my 4th Jamaican passport. Yeah. I don't need visa. You need visa. I don't.
Oh yes, you have too much visa. You have too much
Passport, no visa, no visa. I don't need visa.
Nafudi. Abutan sila galam so gesani kamasisan.
Thank you, Habibi. I'll marry you next
Okay.
flight. Yeah? Hi then.
Okay. See you.